Now it's striking 3 o'clock. Parang time to bring back Miss Rachel. Ay, nakatawa-tawa siya.
Great job! Do you know what shape this is? Do you know what shape this is? Can you guess it? A triangle? That's right!
Dali, dali.
Hulian mo kasi, Trish. Mali.
Pero nag-torpis ah.
Sino?
Embrace mo, embrace mo. Embrace mo. Embrace mo si Bibi. Embrace mo. Yeah!